Why you got my phone?
아니 몇 번 fire.
What?
Oi, we go check your knowledge. I think I want to check you. I'm going to get you.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know. We haven't vlogged in such a long time, but we are in our new house. But I'm gonna be making triple choc fudge brownies. I am going to play a prank on Aussie. He has no idea. I've been planning this prank for like a couple of days and I'm super nervous. I've actually delayed it 3 times. I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna prank Aussie now. I'm so scared and nervous. Aussie, come watch this video, this movie. It's the part 1 of the movie we were watching the other night.
Holy moly.
What? Why are you laughing?
You know I love being up in this hour.
Yeah?
Yeah, you know everything's so dark. Makes everything seem possible again.
You're very welcome, Alina.
Thank you. That's your honor.
Good night.
What time are you going to the gym tonight?
6.
It's only 6.
Where?
You are?
Because I've got to go somewhere tonight. So you're going to go because I've got to go somewhere.
Tia.
I just got to get help out my friend.
Where you from?
Erin.
Yeah.
Because her daughter's starting a YouTube channel and she wants me to help her, set it up.
No, I'm getting.
I'm just going to get ready.
The ice shop won't be a rough road, but
Hello?
Is that my phone?
What are you fucking texting my wife?
Why you got my phone?
아니 몇 번 페이야?
What?
왜 그거 잭시하고요? 몇 페이야?
No, that's Aaron.
야 에런이 쇼를 샤 잭시하고 왜 지나갑니까?
I'm sorry.
이거 새끼. 미워 소리 왔고 웃기요. 이게 페이야리.
I'm sorry.
Nếu đâu có quay đó phải mẹ thì phải yêu em đâu mẹ không làm nhá. Nếu đâu có rồi sử dụng đâu có bộ sử dụng bên công nghệ mà coi.
It's just fake.
Hanya fake ini sih. Fake ni orang kita check sih, orang main mungkin mungkin ni mungkin.
Well, why did you touch my phone anyways?
Mẹ tao cho nó là chút. Sao đi nó có mau ăn mungkin mungkin.
Come back.
Buat dua ni wifi sini ngapain ya?
Aussie. Aussie. Oh my god, there's prickles here. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
prank cho đi sao nữa? Không đua đâu wifi gặp xin cho đi giờ.
Just come inside. It's just a prank. Come on, the neighbors are looking. Hi, you. I promise, it's just a prank. My heart was racing. I don't know how women actually do that in real situations. That's right, take your shoes off, mate. Come back here. Aussie, do you believe me? What? I didn't even know what to say. I froze, guys. Oh, I was so nervous. I promise it's just a prank. Look, the videos are already up to 20 minutes. What do you mean? It's just a fake app. I'll show you later.
Yeah. Oh, marikat pong masisiyaw.
Why?
Because check
I'm joking, I'm not going anywhere. I'm making my brownies. Anyways, guys, this guy is salty. I'm gonna have to soothe his soul. And I'll see you guys next time. And if you like this prank, let's get it to 2,000 likes. Aussie?
Yeah, I won't get like guys.
Yeah, guys, anyways, I love you guys. Mwah!